Have you ever thought about how charcoal briquettes are made? Most people don't, but there is an amazing story behind them. These little black blocks are more than just something to light fire with. They are clean energy solution made from waste materials like sawdust and coconut shell. And the secret to make them perfect, it's all about temperature. Today I will show you how temperature plays a big role in making high quality charcoal briquette. Stick with me, and by the end of this video you will understand why heat is the key to everything. Trust me, you will never look at briquette the same way again. Okay, let's start with the materials. The charcoal briquette made from waste like sawdust, maize cobs or peanut shells. But these materials have one big problem. They are often wet. Wet materials can't burn well, and they make weak charcoal briquette. Heat is used to remove all moisture. Think about it. It's like drying your clothes. If you don't dry them properly, they stay smell and unusable. The same goes for briquette materials. No heat, no good charcoal briquettes. Once the materials are dried, it's time for the most important step, which is called carbonization. This is when the materials are turned to charcoal dust. To do this, they are heated in a special way, with very little air. The temperature to be just right between 600 and 800 Celsius degrees. If it is too low, the materials won't turn to proper charcoal dust, and the charcoal briquette will be weak and smoky. If it is too high, they will burn up and turn to ash. It is about balance, like cooking rice. You need just the right amount of heat to get it perfect. I once heard a funny story about someone who tried to speed up the process by using too much heat. When he checked kiln, all he found was ash. Imagine spending hours working on something and then finding out it's ruined. That's why getting the temperature right is so important. After carbonization, the charcoal dust is mixed with the binder. The binder is like glue that holds the briquette together. People often use natural things like cassava paste or starch. But guess what? Temperature is important here too. If it is too cold, the binder won't mix well and the briquette will fall apart. If it is too hot, the binder might melt and ruin the shape. It's like making dough for bread. If it is too dry or too sticky, it won't work. Now comes the final step. Drying the charcoal briquette. At this point, the briquette looks ready, but they are still full of moisture. Drying them properly is the key to making them strong and durable. The drying temperature should be between 60 and 120 Celsius degrees. Too low, they will take forever to dry, which could make them moldy. Too high, and they might crack or lose their shape. It's like drying fruit. You need just enough heat to get rid of the water without ruining fruit. Now, why does this matter? In many places, people rely on charcoal briquette for cooking and heating. Perfect for cooking, grilling or keeping warm. And they are better for the environment because they made from waste materials, which means few trees need to be cut down for firewood. Good charcoal briquette means less smoke, which is healthy for families, especially in small kitchens. They also mean saving money because the charcoal briquettes are cheaper than firewood. And since they are made from waste, they help to protect the environment. Making charcoal briquette is not easy, so it takes time, effort, and some trial and error. Sometimes the heat is not right, or the material don't dry properly. But that's okay. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Even the best charcoal briquette maker didn't get right the first time. It's like learning to ride the bike. You fall a few times, but you get better with practice. The good news is that more people are getting involved in making charcoal briquette. Some communities are finding a new way to make the process easier, like using cheaper binders or making low-cost machines. These ideas are helping more people to produce charcoal briquette and improve their lives. So what can we learn from this? Temperature is the key to making great charcoal briquette. It is what turns waste into something valuable. It makes the charcoal briquette burn longer, cleaner and stronger, and it is what makes them better for the environment and for the people's health. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something new about how charcoal briquettes are made and why temperature is so important. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos about clean energy and practical solutions. Together, we can make the world a cleaner, greener place, one briquette at a time. See you next time. Bye bye.